Hello guys, in this video you will learn exactly how to confirm the sender email address that you will use to send your marketing emails. This is a crucial step to ensure the system allows you to send emails. Let's get started. First, log into your account from the free plan link in description. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. On the settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click on emails. Scroll down until you find a section titled verified email addresses. You will see a text link that says click here to confirm your email address. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up will appear here. Enter the sender email address you want to use. I highly recommend using a professional email address linked to your own domain rather than a generic Gmail or Yahoo address. Once entered, click Save. Now you need to verify ownership. Head over to the inbox of the email address you just added. You will receive an email containing a confirmation link. Open the email and click the confirmation link inside. You will be redirected to a confirmation page. Simply click the confirm button to finish the process. If you go back to your email settings now, you will see that your email address status has been changed to verified. You are now ready to use this email as a sender in your newsletters and campaigns. If your email is verified but still shows a warning sign like this email, it means the email is verified but not ready to use. You still need to authenticate your domain before you can use it. Let me show you an example. Here you can see my email is already verified and does not have a warning sign. This is because I have already authenticated the custom domain. Once you successfully add your domain, your email will be ready to use as a sender in your newsletter and campaigns. A couple of quick notes before we wrap up. First, you need to manually confirm the email address linked to your account login. It is verified automatically when you sign up. This process is only for new sender addresses. Second, while verifying your email is a great first step, to get the best possible delivery rates and avoid the spam folder, you must authenticate your domain name settings. We have a separate guide on how to do that. And that's it. Your sender email is verified and ready to go. Check the link in description for free plan of system.io, and if you have any doubts, leave a comment and I will help you there. Thank you guys for watching.